Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon DigiThon, a series of 42 challenges where we have already shared 31 challenges with you. This video will be going to be share a 32nd challenge with you, and we are really impressed and thankful to you all for all your participation and sharing your answers and making this event such a successful event. Now without wasting much time, let's see our next challenge.
Friends, the challenge is on your screen. In fact, it is a digital puzzle. In a pipeline circuit, if the output appears at the fifth clock cycle, then how long will it take for the circuit to produce the third output? Friends, it is a digital puzzle available on most of the websites I have taken from there only. There is nothing invented by me here. Now you can pause my video here, try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section. We can discuss it there. I hope that all of you are enjoying this video series called DigiThon or Digital Marathon. If you like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time and your support.